So I'm making this video. It just cut up. I got like 16 hours of footage under the microscope, and I'm just cutting some quick clips, like 1 5-second clip of each different species, or I don't even know what you call them, under the microscope. And I wanted to send this to, I don't know, like university, anyone, well, anybody who knows something about microbiology, because I've looked at all this stuff. I don't know what any of it is. I just think it looks super cool. Like, I don't know, what's that guy doing? It's like a balloon on a string. Then we got plankton. I don't know, like a tornado bean. And then, so, yeah, I just think all this stuff's super interesting, and I wanted to reach out and find someone. So if you know someone who would be able to help me identify some of these critters, or might, point me in the right direction, that'd be super cool. Got a worm living in a dead fly. I think this was the first creature I ever saw. It looked like a hungry hippo. That was kind of what made me want to get a microscope. There's a worm taking a dump. That same worm trying to get some food. Jesus Christ, another worm pooping. Got a fixation. Whatever these little guys are. I think that might have been. I think that might have been a fecal sample. But there's just so much life in all of these. I don't know, that guy looks like a horseshoe crab. There's so much life in all these. And I would love to know what's going on. I think that's a flea. It's called a flea. But I just thought this is super cool. You can see all the circulation inside its body. That has to be circulation. I can't see what else it is, but you can even see musculature. This I think is called a rotifer. It looks like a tulip with a tornado. Another kind of rotifer. They got like propeller face. It's like a rotor on their face somehow. I think it's just hairs. There's a slow-mo of it, but they look like they got propellers on their face. This isn't actually microscopic, but it was pretty small. That looks like I don't know, not a jellyfish, whatever. This is some kind of spastic caterpillar. That's just a boring single-celled organism, but I still want to know about it. There's a whole field of rotifers. You can't really see, but there's like a bunch of them in there. Some kind of little flea walking up and down like a, I don't know, something. You can see the peristalsis going on in that worm. Whatever this guy is, he's like completely see-through. These guys kind of look like weird folded rolling pins. Some sort of microscopic cactus. This dude floating all over the place. He's pretty cool. Another worm. Seemingly got some suction going on there. Some kind of flatworm. You can see cilia all along his body. That guy. And then this little guy. It's like when you stick a bug, like a bug falls over on their back, and they just keep walking with like a clump of dirt on their feet. I thought that was pretty good. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you know anything about this stuff, let me know.